So what can cause a disconnect to burn up or maybe see burnt marks, right? Let's say you are dealing with a disconnect that supplies a furnace. So it can be 120 volt disconnect or a high voltage disconnect where you have like 208 volts, like this disconnect right here. And let's say that all your loads are okay. Your compressor, your condenser fan motor, your indoor motor, anything that's going to pull a lot of current. Nothing is shorted to ground. None of these lines are touching the metal. Everything checks out, but something's going on with your disconnect, right? You find that maybe your fuses are going bad, right? And a lot of burnt markings. Well, what could happen is these wires here are not tight enough. And I'm going to show you with a thermal camera, how to check if it's overheating or not. And there's another little test that you can do with the meter, but a thermal camera will confirm it. See how loose? I want you to see how loose that wire is. You do not want to do that for, especially where the wire, you're going to have a lot of current going through. So when those wires are not tight, it ends up becoming a resistor instead of a conductor. So they have to be tight. Everything where you're gonna have a lot of current going through, there's gonna be a lot of heat. It has to be tight. So this can be part of your maintenance whenever you go to a job too, just making sure that it's all tight. So I'm gonna show you two quick things that you can do. The right way of doing it, and this is where you would have to invest, is getting a thermal camera. So look at this right here. I already have one right here. I want you to look at this wire right here. This is the one that's loose. So right now, you're probably able to see that it was a little bit more orange than the other wires. This is the one that was loose. And then this one here was the one that was okay. The one that's loose, look at the color. It's a lot brighter than the other ones because it's not tight enough. It's generating more heat. And that's what could cause your actual fuses to go bad. Your actual fuses can go bad because of that heat it's generating, because it's not tight, which is such an easy thing to do, right? And so it's such a simple thing that you can do to avoid, right? It's just by simply checking that it's tight enough. When you go to jobs, just make sure that everything's tight. Like that, you can prevent the wires from overheating and possibly other issues.